Welcome back to Drive Trends, your ultimate destination for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Audi Safe, a car that masterfully blends opulent luxury with breathtaking performance. If you're a fan of high-tech sedans with an athletic edge, this is one you don't want to miss. The pinnacle of Audi's design language. The 2025 Audi Sate continues to embody the brand's progressive design ethos. From its sleek and assertive front end to its impeccably sculpted body, the Sate exudes sophistication. The front fascia is dominated by Audi's signature single-frame grille, now featuring a sharper, more aggressive design. Flanked by HD matrix LED headlights with digital laser technology, the Sate ensures unparalleled visibility while making a bold statement on the road. The side profile is clean and elegant, with subtle chrome accents and 21-inch alloy wheels that hint at the car's sporty underpinnings. A round back, OLED tail lights provide a distinctive and customizable light signature, ensuring the Sate remains unmistakable day or night. A performance we no longer doubted, by Lawrence Holton, read by Stephen Kish. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi Sate doesn't hold back. It comes equipped with a 4.7-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a staggering 563 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the Sate delivers exhilarating acceleration and unmatched handling dynamics. With a 0-60 PMF time of just 3.8 seconds, this luxury sedan is as much about speed as it is about comfort. Adaptive air suspension, with predictive capabilities, ensures a smooth ride, while dynamic all-wheel steering provides exceptional agility, even in tight corners. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding back roads, the Sate adapts seamlessly to your driving needs. A cabin fit for royalty. Inside the 2025 Audi Sate, and you're greeted by a cabin that redefines luxury. High-quality materials like Valcona leather, carbon fiber trims, and Alcantara headliners create an atmosphere of pure indulgence. The front seats are not only heated and ventilated but also offer massage functions with customizable programs, ensuring long journeys are as relaxing as possible. The rear seats are equally impressive, with an optional executive package that adds reclining capabilities, footrests, and individual climate controls. This makes the seat an ideal choice for those who prefer to be chauffeured in ultimate comfort. Cutting-edge technology. Audi has always been a pioneer in automotive technology, and the Sate is no exception. The centerpiece of the cockpit is the dual touchscreen MMI system, featuring haptic feedback and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 12.3-inch virtual cockpit display provides a fully customizable view of navigation, performance data, and media controls. For audiophiles, the available Bang & Olufsen 3D Advanced Sound System offers a concert-like audio experience with 23 speakers and a 1920-watt amplifier. Additionally, Audi's suite of driver assistance features includes adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Sustainability meets luxury. The 2025 Audi Sate also takes a step towards sustainability. The V8 engine features a 48-volt mild hybrid system, improving fuel efficiency without compromising performance. This system captures energy during braking and coasting, providing a small but noticeable boost in overall efficiency. Furthermore, Audi has incorporated recycled materials into the cabin construction, demonstrating their commitment to reducing environmental impact while maintaining the highest standards of quality. Why the 2025 Audi Sate stands out. In a segment dominated by names like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and BMW 7 Series, the 2025 Audi Sate carves its own path. It offers a perfect balance of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it an irresistible choice for discerning buyers. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or someone who values ultimate comfort, the Seat checks all the boxes. With its bold design, jaw-dropping performance, and tech-laden interior, it's a vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations but exceeds them. Immunity. So, there you have it. The 2025 Audi Seat. A masterpiece of engineering and design that continues to push the boundaries of what a luxury sedan can be. If you're as excited about this car as we are, let us know in the comments below. What feature of the Seat impresses you the most? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Drive Trends for more in-depth coverage of the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.